Okay, so on popular demand, we're going to try and attempt a 3-step overtake. There we go. Is it a 3-step or is it a 3-phase or is it... I don't know. So phase 1, come closer to subject A. There we go. We're quite close. He's giving us some space, but then we use our user discretion. There's a car coming up top, so we will let him go. We will have a little peek. We will track him at his speed. We go and go open. I hope you didn't see my speed. Oh god, that is hilarious. Going down to the regulation speed, ladies and gentlemen. What an amazing road. Straight, straight, straight. Oh god, one does enjoy a bit of overtaking every now and then. Alright, making our way to Stockbridge, eh? Nice windy roads. Not as good as probably what you get in Wales or Scotland, but I'm sure for any riding abilities these roads are great. It's pretty straight. I don't want too many bugs on my screen, so I'm going to keep it quite low. Why am I on the left? Because I can't see over the crest, so okay, now that I can move in the center or even right. Nobody behind. All good.